Hi folks, welcome to another short video from the Audiofile-Incar. Today I'm going to take you around yet another Defender about to leave the premises. So in this one we haven't done too much to the outside, not too much cosmetic stuff at all actually. In fact, the only difference from the outside is we've added the dual band amplified antenna. So this is a flexible antenna. It covers AM, FN and DAB, so it gives you excellent DAB reception. And it also can't be damaged, so it follows the rake of the windscreen. Inside, this already had fitted some Lucari sports seats, a bit like a Recaro actually. They're really nice, beautiful white stitching, and you've also got the matching centre console to go with them. So they were already in there when the car came into us a couple of days ago. What we've added is this flush USB port here. We've also added security, so we've updated it with the Audiofile immobiliser, which we can explain to you. If it gives a call or a pop in, we can go through that, but we can't explain on YouTube, unfortunately, just because of the security side of things. So this car's had ultimate hi-fi, so we've been through that before, but you've got the Focal tweeter in the top of the dash, you've got the Focal 10cm 4-inch woofer in the bottom of the dash, and you've got the Focal 6.5-inch 17cm woofer in the front of the seat box. We've not soundproofed this car, but we've heavily soundproofed the inside of the seat box. When we put the seats back in, the other thing we've done is you'll see a lot of the time the seats foul just here. We've shimmed them up so that they all fit properly. We do that whenever we refit the seats, whether they're Recaros. Anything with a wing back like that needs to be set up properly, otherwise you can't pull the seat belt out and you can't move the seats properly. So we've done that. This is part of the installation. We've also done a split charge. I can't show you the split charge because these particular seats don't have removable bases. So, but underneath there, we've got the yellow top and the red top and the split charge system. And actually, the guys make this really funky little holder now. So they make this, and there's your little T-Max controller. So you can just pull that out of there, and you can use that to link the batteries together if you're winching, or to check the voltage of both batteries. It can all be seen on that display. We've gone large in here, so we've actually fitted the Alpine Halo, which is a full 9-inch touchscreen, so it's absolutely massive. And on there you've got your mapping, you've got all your music services, everything you'd expect from Apple CarPlay. We've popped a reverse camera on as well, so just pop that in reverse and you can see that's up top looking down, so you can actually see the back lights on that image, which means you can really sneak up nice and close to things without any danger of bashing it. We've done it using a double DIN fitting kit, so the double DIN fitting kit we prefer. It's new, now incorporates the top vents, which is nice. And of course we've fitted the auxiliary panel here, but we've customised it by cutting the bottom section off and refinishing all the curves and stuff, repainting it. So instead of having a completely sort of pointless big blank here, which we see a lot of, it looks pretty awful, we cut it all down so it fits nicely and it looks good. So there you go. Funky screen. If you want something extra big, you ain't going to get no bigger than that. Hope you've enjoyed our short video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post lots of Defender videos because we're very, very busy building Defenders or tricking them up. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.